नायक मुझे पता है हीरो, बट पाइका मुझे पता नहीं. Warrior. Okay. Odisha ra Paika, rugby ra Nayak. Fantastic, I love it. It is rugby sevens exactly as rugby sevens is anywhere in the world. But World Rugby has been a very strong ally, supporter and approver of every single rugby-based protocol of this league. It has been sanctioned and supported by World Rugby officially. जैसे क्रिकेट में आईसीसी वर्ल्ड बॉडी है, हमारे रग्बी में वर्ल्ड रग्बी वर्ल्ड बॉडी है. उनके साथ हमने 2 साल से काम किया है. पहले हमने उनके साथ फॉर्मेट बनाया कि हम 7 मिनट पर हाफ नहीं खेलेंगे, हम 4 मिनट पर क्वार्टर खेलेंगे, क्योंकि इससे रेस्ट होगा. अगर गर्मी होगी, अगर फॉरेन प्लेयर्स आ रहे होंगे, हमें सब्स्टिट्यूशंस देना पड़ेगा. तो उन्होंने अग्री किया. बाकी हमने कुछ नहीं चेंज किया. इट इज़ रग्बी सेवन्स exactly as rugby sevens is anywhere in the world. But World Rugby has been a very strong ally, supporter and approver of every single rugby-based protocol of this league. It has been sanctioned and supported by World Rugby officially. मैं उड़िया इतनी अच्छी तरह से नहीं समझता हूँ. आजकल 4-5 साल बाद मैं समझ सकता हूँ जब कोई भाषण दे रहा है, लेकिन ये जो लाइन है इसका मतलब मुझे नहीं पता. नायक मुझे पता है हीरो, बट पाइका मुझे पता नहीं. Warrior. Okay. Odisha ra Paika, rugby ra Nayak. Fantastic, I love it. In terms of viewing on television and OTT, I think the same answer for the whole of India. I think the impact that I hope the impact will that in 2-3 years time, when children are thinking of making a career in sport, they don't just think of the other sports. Rugby becomes one of the top 5 sports where they dream of actually making it because of the kind of attention the Rugby Premier League gets and the kind of attractiveness of the sport. It's a superbly attractive television sport. Rugby is very easy to understand. Rugby sevens is about running, passing with your teammates, getting to the line across and putting the ball down. That's it. If somebody comes in your way, smash them. I'm just being very simplistic. If they have the ball, smash them, take the ball, get across the line. It's very fast, it's very physical, and you have to be, it's just very, very exciting. There are only 5 things to remember. Run, pass, kick, tackle, score. Run, pass, kick, tackle, score. If people understand in the first year, that's all they need to understand to enjoy the game. Thank you, thank you.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ଏଇଟା ଏ ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା this is quite fast. It's about speed, it's about power, it is about agility. ये जो गेम अच्छी ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର କଳିଙ୍ଗର ୱାରିୟର୍ସ ଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ପଛରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସର ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇନ୍ସପିରେସନରୁ ନେଇକି ନାଁ ରଖିବା ବିକଜ ଏ ଗେମ୍ରେ ବି ସ୍ପିଡ୍ ପାୱାର ଏଜିଲିଟି ସବୁ ଥାଏ ଦରକାର ପଡ଼େ ତ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୱାଇ वी नेम्ड इट आफ्टर द पाइको.
सर केते टूर्नामेंट होची विशेष करी केମିତି देखुଛନ୍ତି विशेष करी बेसी खराब होची
आगे
केते टूर्नामेंट होची वर्तमान ए ओडिसा ए टूर्नामेंट को कोन स्थान रे बेसी दिया जायछि
तो स्थान रे टूर्नामेंट होची टूर्नामेंट वर्तमान आगे बॉम्बे रे होची ए वर्ष एटा प्रथम वर्ष हमें बॉम्बे रे करूछु एंड एटा जियो हॉटस्टार रे टेलीकास्ट हबो स्टार टीवी रे टेलीकास्ट हबो स्टार स्पोर्ट्स आउ होपफुली नेक्स्ट ईयर रू हमें एटा ओडिसा रे ओनली रग्बी स्टेडियम ऑफ इंडिया ओडिसा रे अछि काहे न आसीबो निश्चय आसीबो एठी स्पोर्ट
कोच अछन ओडिसा रो प्लेयर होचन
आज्ञा
केମିତି सब सर प्रिपरेशन होइछि
बहुत भल आमर एक्चुअली ओडिसा रो प्लेयर माने बहुत भल आउ नेशनल लेवल रे भी तांकर बहुत भल रिजल्ट्स अछि आपण देखिले स्पेशली लेडीज टीम जो अछंती लेडीज नेशनल रो 13 टा लेडीज भितरु 6 टा लेडीज ओडिसा रो छन आउ से जाय कि सिल्वर मेडल लेके आसले दैट मींस खेलुछंती लोक ओडा एटा एंड आई थिंक most of the players are from the tribal belts. That means from the lower stratas, from the rural India, people are playing. I think everybody should promote sports, whether it's rugby, cricket, football, does not matter.